Hello friends, welcome to Learn with Debjit. In previous video, I discussed with you what is formal letter and how to use formal letter with examples. If you have not seen the video, don't worry, the video link will be provided in the description box. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss what is informal letter and what is the format of informal letter and example of informal letters. So, without wasting any further time, let's get started. At first, we will know what is informal letter. Basically, informal letter is a non-official letter. Informal letters are used to write to our friends, family or relatives. These letters are personal letters that are not used in official purpose. Now, we will know format of an informal letter. At first, address of the sender. Suppose you are inviting your friend to your birthday party. So when you will write this letter, at first you must include your address. I mean to say your address is the sender's address. Next is date of writing the letter. After that, receiver address. Receiver address means friend's address. Next is salutation or greeting. Here you can use dear or dearest. After that, body of the letter. Here we have divided body of the letter into three parts. First paragraph, second paragraph and third paragraph. In first paragraph, we will write ask for the well-being of the person. In second paragraph, we will write the main reason to write the letter. In third paragraph, we will write conclusion and end of the letter. After completing the body of the letter, we will use complimentary closing like your loving friend, yours lovingly, your affectionately, etc. And then signature of the senders and complete the letter. Now we will see an example of an informal letter. So let's start. Question. Write a letter to your friend to invite him in your birthday party. So at the beginning of the letter we use sender's address. I mean here we will write my address. Then we will write date. After that, receiver address. I mean friend's address. Next we will use salutation. Here we will write my dear. My dear Sujoy, I have not received your sweet note for a long time. I hope you are well. I am quite fit now. This is the first paragraph. You will be glad to know that 21st October is my birthday. It is my 15th birthday. On the occasion, our drawing room will be decorated nicely. My friends and guests will arrive at 6 p.m. I, along with my friends, will stand around a table where a beautiful birthday cake will be placed. I will blow out candles and cut the cake. All my friends and guests will be then entertained with delicious foods and birthday cake. This is the second paragraph. I invite you in my birthday celebration. Your presence will give me more and more pleasure. With best regards to you and your parents. This is the third paragraph. Now we use complimentary closing like your loving friend Rahul. I hope all of you understand how informal letters are written. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment box and also share this video with your friends. And if you are new to our channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of the video. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.